well, just went out to pick up dinner, and on the way ran through a giant puddle of paint that someone spilled all over the road. So all over the tires, all in the wheel wells, all over my rims. Of course, it's on the fenders and bumpers, and it misted up, so it's all over this and my spare tire. All over my sleeve sliders, which is cool, and all down the bodywork. All inside the tire, and I gotta figure out how to get that out. All over my Iron Man bumper and my suspension. So we're gonna see if we can get this cleaned up. I just got a foamer, so we'll see if that'll take any of it off. But I'm using Chemical Guys Tough Mudder truck wash out of this little Tool Daily foam cannon. Use my pressure washer. I don't know if any of it's gonna do anything, but I'll let you know in about an hour. Alright, I was able to get a lot of it off. Got it off the paint for the most part. So, got all that done. Got it off the rim, best I can tell on the face, but you can tell on the inside, it's all painted up still. Tires are shot. Wheel wells shot. I was able to get some of it off the sleeve sliders, but whole bottom shot. Suspension's all completely coated. Right now it's a good 30-foot truck. Alright, so now that we have the wheel off, we can get a better look at how big of a mess this is and how big of a pain this is going to be clean. It's all on my shock. It's all over the suspension. It's all over the arms. It's all over the springs. It's all over everything. So we're going to see what we can do to get that off. Alright, so we're trying something I've never used before. We're using WD-40. Just trying to spray everything down. Soak it, let it sit there for a few minutes, and then hit it with a scrub brush. I was given this instructions by some friends of mine who have done this before, so I figured I'd give it a shot first before getting into solvents and that kind of stuff. What I ended up using is this big old tin can of WD-40. Sorry, I realized with the fan the audio is probably bad there. I got a big old can of WD-40, and then I purchased this little Ryobi sprayer, little paint sprayer. One of my buddies does this for his undercarriage cleaning as like a final step. So he'll fill up this with WD-40 and then use the paint sprayer and hose down the undercarriage, and it gives it like that brand new look. So I used that. Sprayed down everything in here. And then just with this brush, it seems to be coming right off. I'm sure I'm going to have to do this a few times, but I mean, it's going from like looking like I went off-roading in milk to nothing. So I'll hit this a little bit more and see how it goes. You might notice also that I took a Publix bag and covered the brakes, so I'm not getting like WD-40 and oil and solvent and everything all over the brakes. Just a quick tip if you're working in here trying to clean stuff, just so you don't get everything all over your rotors. All right, well, I've been going at it for about 2.5 hours. Cleaned the rim up a little bit. Tire I haven't started on yet, so I'm not going to put this set on. I have the gold DRs on right now. I'm going to transfer over to the dark gray T37s, just run those until I can figure out how to get these tires clean. But good news on the wheel well. WD-40. a little scrub brush, and a whole lot of elbow grease. And she looks brand new. I got the front done. So it came out okay. And then the sliders came out pretty good. I wasn't able to get everything off of like the front side of it. It's just really thick in there. I can't see, and because it's so thick, it's not coming off. I'm hitting it with a scrub brush and it just doesn't want to come off. But overall, not bad. I'll take it for now. I got to figure out how to get the tires clean. But I have the TEs that I switch back and forth with anyway. So I just slap the TEs on here for now. And then when I figure out how to get those tires clean, I can put my my bronze rims back on. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it.